Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Romar Bragais. My report is all about common symptoms of awakening of your life purpose. So, what is awakening? According to Deepak Chopra, awakening happens when you are no longer living in a dream world where you filter everything through your ego and focusing on the future and the past. Instead, you have almost simultaneous awareness of your individual self and connection between that and everything else. Spiritual awakening is a call to a higher consciousness and state of deeper mental awareness. Common signs of spiritual awakening is a feeling of being connected to a greater purpose or power. This could be a connected to a God or a higher power, a feeling of being part of something larger than yourself, or even sense of feeling connected to other people, nature, or the universe. Spiritual awakening happens when your soul wakes up. It is when your soul becomes ready for a transformational journey. There are three stages of spiritual awakening. The first step will help you feel comfortable and still in your surroundings. In the second step, you can establish a connection with the environment. The third and final stage of enlightenment leads you to believe that you are the same as the thing around you. That is, you are everything and everything is within you. So, based on my understanding, spiritual awakenings like pareha ng sa tawag ni pareha ng mag gusto ka mapag-isa kanang feel nimo kung adto ka diha nga lugar kay safe ka or comfortable ka diha nya feel pud nimo kay makakonect ka sa nature or makakonect ka through environment or through God. 10 signs of spiritual awakening. Examples of awakened people. Number 1, observing your patterns. One of the first signs of awakening is noticing. You may be going through life on autopilot without giving much thought to who you are, what you want, and why you are here. Having these questions pop up is like turning on light in a previously dark room. If you are aware that you are witnessing how you do life and maybe asking yourself. So number 1, say manang para nang daghan niya kay kag pangutarna sa imong sarili ba nga mura kag naka autopilot without giving much thought to who you are. For example, kanang maka pangutana ka sa imong sarili nganong pareha ng nganong recently kay dali na kay ka masuko or magsige na lang kag kasuko niya. Usahay pod kanang makapangutana ka nga ay kanang gina-compare nimo ang imong self to others, tapos kanang kuan pod kanang nganong dili dayon ka makabangon ba bisag ay mo bangon bisag kuan kanang nakadungog na ka sa alarm sa imong phone nya dili gyapon ka makabangon nga nana. So kana pong kuan day kanang dali ra kay ka ma-attract sa mga or ma-attach to sa mga dramas, ma-emotional po kag appeal. So number 2, example of awakened people. Feeling a sense of connection. Connection comes from shared humanity. This can occur when you find yourself taking interest in your community. This can include volunteering at your local food bank or shoveling your neighbor's walkway. You try on a perspective of someone whom you have previously seen as different. Perhaps you start asking why they wear uh, burqa or have tattoos rather than judging them. So number 2 example is feeling a sense of connection, like mo connect ka through from shared humanity. for example pareha ng kuan kanang magkusang loob na lang kasi mo ang buhaton ba, dili na ka kailangan nga suguon pa or mag-volunteer na lang ka nya. Kana pong kanang dili na dayon ka mang judge og tao kay murag gina kuan po nimo ang ilang pananaw silang kinabuhi kung pareha ng for example nay nalahi si muha nga para si muha kay mali ba pareha ng magpatato. So daghan man jud sa tuwa nga pagtan-aw na is kanang hugaw or maot sa bana dautan mo inana pananaw sa ubang tao pero base kung kanang ay bago nimo sila i-judge imo sang pangutan-on ng ilahang kuan ba mo connect ka sa ilaha mo connect ka sa ilaha nga pangutan-on nimo sila kung nganong nagpatato sila o unsay connect ana silang kinabuhi mga inana kaysa i-judge nimo sila dayon. Mao ra to, thank you.